A small confession I'll make you all. I'm a profusive speeder. I speed on roadways, and with that being said, I bet there's some of you guys that are like, speeding's rad. And some of you guys are like, nah, I drive like my grandparents. And then there's like two of you that actually go the speed limit, to which I ask to please get out the left lane. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what does this have to do with the current event I came to talk about? Well, I came to talk with you all about Nebraska's hottest legislation since they made it illegal to whale fish in Nebraska. It is an increase in highway speeds from 65 to 70 miles per hour. Now, I know for some of you, the big old 7.0 sounds blisteringly fast, but I would love to show you guys why I think it's an opportunity for innovation and cross-country innovation. So, Nebraska's experience. They did this for two reasons. First off was to be part of the 85th percentile. That means that their highway speeds are now at or below 85% of what people on the road actually drive. So like they're making a law around trying to make it around what people actually do. And the second part was they wanted to improve business and tourism, which I find incredibly ironic for Nebraska. Because I went there once, I took a picture for Instagram of a nice little cornfield in the sunset, and I got 11 likes on the photo, so I'm not going back there. With Nebraska doing this, other states are beginning to fall behind. This includes Illinois, Virginia, and Oklahoma. And they saw that Nebraska was making a change to the community to have a faster community, and they too wanted to follow that lead. But of course, as speeds do increase, the danger of driving on these roads also increases. So the best way to look at this is from a physics perspective, because there's no bias, it's just facts. So stopping distance. If I'm driving 65 miles per hour and I slam on the brakes, my car is going to stop in 201 feet. Now, if I do the same at 70 miles per hour, it's going to take me 234 feet to stop. That's over a 30-foot difference. 30 feet actually means a lot if you consider the fact that a pedestrian death can occur at only 10 miles per hour. That happens within the last 5 feet of stopping. So 30 feet could definitely save a life. The second thing is momentum. How much force your car is going to have as it's going and hits something, right? Well, there's a lot of calculations, which I don't have time to talk about, but it ends up being a 7.7% increase of force when a car is going 70 miles per hour versus 65 miles per hour. Now, that's an important number to remember, so keep that in mind. Now, I bet you guys are all wondering, Mike, you laid out all this great information of why speeding is so dangerous. Why do you still speed? Well, because unlike physics, I am both biased and a reckless teenager. So, the big reason I think that going faster on the roadways is important is the possibility for innovation and a faster moving community. So what I mean is we can get people where they need to go faster. We can get items and ideas where they need to go faster. And we can get my Amazon shipments where they need to go faster. And just imagine a drive from here to San Francisco. Currently that takes about 4 hours. If we switch the speed limit to 70 miles per hour, it's going to go down to 3.5 hours. Now if you take the ratio of 4 over 3.5, that just happens to be 7.7%. Which leads me to my final point. This is a great example of relative risk equaling relative reward. If you are a society that values safety and the safety of your people on your roadways, I recommend you stay at 65. Because if you go any faster, you are taking a risk. But if you are a group of people that value innovation and having a faster moving community, then I recommend you boost it up to 70.